Sai Ram children, let us continue with our chapter number 6, division. Children, in our last class we have learned long division method, right? Today we are going to extend that topic and understand the concept of remainder. Now children, what is remainder? Remainder is the number which is left over when the divisor does not divide the dividend completely. Now what it is? Let us understand with an example. For example, here you can see there are few packets of French fries. You like French fries, right? Count how many packets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 packets of French fries. And children, we have to divide it among 4 children. You can see here 4 children standing. They all want French fries. Okay, so we have to divide them. So we have to give one by one to each of them. If we give one by one to each of them, each one of them will get 2 packets of French fries. Right children? Now you can see here the first girl, she has got 2 packets, then another 2 packet, another 2 packets, and the last one also another 2 packets he has got. Correct? But here you can see there is one more French fries which is left. Now who will eat that? Now they are going to fight that I want this packet. Correct? So this one is the leftover. Okay, we cannot divide it equally among all of them. In this case, this one packet which is left, it is known as the remainder. Okay. So we can say that 9 divided by 4. There were 9 packets of fries, right? And we have divided it among 4 children. Okay, and what is the answer? 2. They all got 2 packets each. Correct? And the remainder is 1 because 1 packet was left. Correct? So this is the answer. Now children, if I want to divide this numbers, okay, with long division method, how we can do it? Let us see. So the question is 9 divided by 4. First we have to draw the bracket, right? Because it is long division method. After drawing the bracket, we have to first write the dividend, which is number 9. Number 9, we have to write it inside. And the divisor, which is number 4, it will be written here outside. Correct? Now children, how do we divide? We have to see in 4's table whether 9 will go or not. So let us say 4's table. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Children, as you can see in 4's table, number 9 will not go. Correct? Where is number 9? Number 9 will come here in between. Between 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. So it will not go. Okay. So in this case, we have to find a nearby number which is smaller than 9. Not bigger than. It is very important children. Listen carefully. It should be smaller than the dividend. The number 9 here. Okay. So which number is smaller than 9? Number 8. Okay. So what we will do is we will take 4 twos are 8. So we will write here 2. Okay. 4 twos are 8. 8 we will write here down. Then we will put a minus sign, subtraction sign and a dash. Now we have to subtract. What we will subtract? 9 and this number 8. 9 minus 8 is what? 1. So we will write here number 1. Okay. So number 2 is our quotient and number 1 is our remainder. Okay, now here children, in this question you can see there is a single digit number as dividend. There is no other numbers after 9. So that's it. Number 1 is our remainder. We did not divide more. Okay. Like this we have got. So we can say 9 divided by 4 is equal to 2 and remainder is equal to 1. Children, now we have got this answer number 2. Okay, the quotient is 2. Now let us see whether the answer that we have got is right or wrong, whether it is correct or not. How we are going to find out? With the help of a formula. Now what is that formula? The formula is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, it means that divisor, if we multiply by quotient, okay, and then we add the remainder, the answer that we will get is equal to dividend. Okay, so let us find out. Children, in our question 9 divided by 4 is equal to 2, correct? Here the remainder is equal to 1. Now divisor multiplied by quotient is plus remainder. Now we have to substitute all the numbers here. What is divisor? Divisor is number 4. So we'll write here number 4. Quotient is number 2. So multiplied by 2. And then we have to put bracket. Okay. Because it is multiplication. First we have to multiply that. Then plus remainder. What is remainder? 1. So we'll write here plus 1. Now first we are going to solve what is inside the bracket. What is inside the bracket? 4 into 2. 4 2s is 8. You can see here children, 4 2s are 8. And then plus 1. Okay. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And is 9 our dividend? Yes. 9 is our dividend. That means thus the division is correct. Got it children? How you have to check whether your answer is correct or not? Children, now it's time for exercise 6.5. So please take out your textbook and your notebook. Children, in exercise 6.5 we have done question number 1. Now you have to note down question number 2. Divide using long division method and check your answer. So we have to divide also and then we have to check our answer. A1, 46 divided by 2. Okay. Come on. Now children, first we have to draw the bracket. Okay. Then we will write dividend and then the divisor. Okay. Now children, now what is our divisor? Number 2. Now children, for division we have to take one number at a time. Okay. Now first we will take number 4. We will see number 4. Okay. Now will number 4 go in 2's table? Yes, it will go. Correct. So what is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we will write here 2 2s are 4. Okay. We are going to take one number at a time. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. After that the second number, which is number 6, it will come down. Okay, we will write it down like this. You can draw an arrow here and you can write your number 6. Now we have to divide number 6. In 2's table, will number 6 go? Yes children, it will go. Correct. How many times? See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Correct? So here I will write the next number 3. 2 threes are 6. Okay? Put minus sign, subtract it. 6 minus 6, here it will be 0. So our remainder is 0. Is there any other number that we have to divide? No, there is no other number. So we will stop. Okay, we will stop here. So our quotient is 23 and our remainder is 0. Children, if you want to now check your answer. How you are going to check your answer? With the help of the formula. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay. So I am just going to show you. You can write the answer afterwards. Now children, look here. What is the formula? Divisor. What is the divisor here? Number 2. Okay. Multiplied by quotient. What is the quotient? 23. Plus remainder. What is remainder here? 0. Right? So first now we have to multiply 2 into 23. So let me do it here. 23 into 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. So I got here 46 plus 0. 46 plus 0 is 46. And what is 46? Can you see your children in the question? Yes, it is our dividend. So it is equal to dividend. So that means our answer is correct. We have solved it correctly. Now children, write all the steps properly. Okay. Make the brackets and the lines. One number write in one box. Okay. You have square line book, children. Write all the numbers properly. After that children, we are going to write the answer in this way. So 46 divided by 2 is equal to 23 and remainder is equal to 0. And then in the question they have asked us to check our answer. So you will write check. Then write dividend is equal to 46, divisor is equal to 2, quotient is equal to 23 and remainder is equal to 0. After that you are going to write the formula. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. After that children, we are going to solve. Okay. You can write only this one. Okay. After the formula, you can write directly divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now divisor is 2. Quotient is 23 plus 0. All the steps you are going to write one below the another neatly. Okay. Then we are going to multiply 2 into 23. Children, you are going to multiply it, okay, on your own. Draw a line there and you can do the multiplication in your rough column, which is equal to 46. 46 plus 0 is equal to 46, which is equal to dividend. Thus, the division is correct. Write down all the steps properly. Question is 38 divided by 3. Okay. Children, first we have to draw the bracket. Write the dividend inside 38 and number 3 outside. Then we are going to divide. Now for dividing, we are going to see one number at a time. Okay. The first here you can see the first number is number 3. So children, can you tell me in 3's table 3 will go? Yes, it will go, right? 3 ones is 3. So how we will write there? 3 multiplied by 1 3 ones is 3. Okay. Then we are going to put subtraction sign. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. After that, there is one more number, number 8. Number 8 will come down. We have to write it down. And then we have to divide number 8 also. Right. Now, in 3's table, will number 8 go? No, it will not go. Okay. So, we have to find a nearby number. Okay. So, let us see or find a nearby number. See, 3 ones is 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are is 9. So we have your number 8 as dividend. So number 8 will come here in between, correct? Between 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. And what did teacher say? Teacher told you na that we cannot take a bigger number. We always have to take a nearby smaller number. Okay. So we have to take 3 twos are 6. Okay. So we'll write a number 3 is here. 3 twos are 6. Okay. Understood, children, how you have to write or divide? 3 twos are 6. Then I will put your minus sign and then I'm going to put your dash. Then we have to subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay. So 2 is our remainder. Why it is remainder? See, now children, there is no other number after 38. There is no other number. So that means we have to stop dividing. Now here you can see there is, we didn't get 0. We have got number 2. So number 2 is our remainder and number 12 is our quotient or our answer. Okay. After that we have to check your answer. So first of all you are going to do the division. Come on children, note it down in your notebook. Now note down what is the answer. So 38 divided by 3 is equal to 12 and remainder is equal to 2. Then we have to write check. Okay. Here dividend is equal to 38. Divisor is equal to 3. Quotient is equal to 12 and remainder is equal to 2. After that children, we are going to write the formula. Okay. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Children, formula is very important. You have to learn the formula. Okay. Then divisor into quotient is equal to remainder. Right. What is divisor children? Number 3. Quotient what we have got? 12 plus remainder. Remainder is 2. First we are going to multiply 3 into 12. Now when we multiply 3 into 12 or 12 into 3, we will get 36. 36 plus 2. Okay. 3 into 12 is equal to 36 plus 2. 36 plus 2 is 37, 38. Correct. And 38 is our dividend. So that means the division is correct. Our answer is correct. Note down children. Write all the steps properly, one below the another. One is 92 divided by 4. Okay. So draw the bracket and then we have to write the dividend and the divisor in the proper place. Now let us divide. Now what is the first number children? Now it is 2 digit, right? What is the first number? Number 9. Okay, we have to see in 4th table whether 9 will go or not. Now number 9 will not go, but we can find a nearby number. Correct. So what will be the nearby number? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Now 4 3s are 12 is bigger than number 9. So we have to take 4 2s are 8. Correct? So we'll write here 4 is the divisor. 2s are 4 2s are 8. We'll write 8 below number 9. Then we'll put minus sign and then we will subtract. Okay. 9 minus 8 is 1. So write here number 1. The answer 9 minus 8 is 1. What is the next step, children? We have to take the next number, which is number 2, down. Okay. Number 2. Now we can see in place of dividend here we have got number 12. Okay. Now see, 1 and 2 is equal to 12. We have to take these two numbers together. Okay. In 4's table, we have to see whether number 12 will go or not. Yes, it will go. 4 3s are 12. It is going to divide. Correct? So we will write here 4 3s are 12. Okay. Then put minus and then subtract. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So that means our remainder is 0 and our quotient is 23. Children, do it all step by step. Now we will write the answer. 92 divided by 4 is equal to 23 and remainder is equal to 0. Then we are going to check. Okay, for checking we have to write what is the dividend. 92, divisor is equal to 4, quotient is equal to 23 and remainder is equal to 0. Then we are going to write the formula. The formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now we are going to check. Okay, what is the divisor? 4 multiplied by the quotient is 23 then remainder is 0 plus 0. So 4 into 23 plus 0. First we are going to solve the bracket. Okay, 4 into 23 is equal to 92. When you multiply 23 into 4 you will get 92. Okay, 92 plus 0 is equal to 92, which is our dividend. So we can say that the division is correct. Correct? Because in our question we have 92 as dividend. See children, here the multiplication 23 into 4 is equal to 92. Note it down in your notebook. Now next one is D1. 66 divided by 2. Okay, let us divide. We will write number 66 inside the bracket and number 2 as divisor, which will be outside. Okay, children, of this sum I have done it directly. Please follow all the steps. Now first we have to see number 6. We have to take number 6. Now in 2's table will number 6 go? Yes, it will go. Correct? 2 3s are 6. So 3 we will write here and 6 here down. 2 3s are 6. Then we will put minus sign and then subtract. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Then we will take the next number, which is number 6, down here. Okay. Then again we have 6. So again 2 3s are, we will write here number 3 and then we will write 6 here. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now there is no other number to come down. So that means we have to stop. So we can say that 66 divided by 2 is equal to 33 and remainder is equal to 0. Okay. Then we will check the answer. For checking we have to write what is dividend, what is divisor, then what is quotient, what answer you have got and the remainder. After that we have to write the formula. The formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, then we are going to substitute. In place of divisor, what will come? Number 2. Quotient is equal to 3, 33. So 2 into 33 plus 0. 0 is our remainder. Now 2 into 33 is equal to 66. 66 plus 0. And 66 is our dividend. Thus, the division is correct. See here children, I have done the multiplication. You are also going to do the multiplication. Okay. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 66. Note down children in your notebook. Next one is 75 divided by 2. Okay, question number E. Now children, 75 we will write inside the bracket because it is our dividend. Okay, number 2 is our divisor. Now we have to divide. Let us take the first number. Number 7 is the first number. We have to see whether 2 will go in, whether 7 will go in 2's table, right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now 7 will not go into table, correct? We cannot divide. So what we will take? We will take a nearby number. So we are going to take 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then we will subtract. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. After that, the next number will come down, which is number 5. Now here it will become 15. Okay, because here we have got the 1 also. So together it will become 15. Now we have to see in 2's table whether 15 will go or not. It will not go. But we have a nearby number, which is 2 7s are 14. Okay. So 7 you will write here up and 14 you will write here down. Then we have to subtract. 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Correct? So number 1 is our remainder and number 37 is our quotient. Okay children? Note down properly. Note down the answer also. 75 divided by 2 is equal to 37 and remainder is equal to 1. After that we have to check. Okay, so write what is dividend is equal to 35, divisor is equal to 2, quotient is equal to 37 and remainder is equal to 1. Okay, then we have to write the formula. What is the formula? Save it teacher. Remainder is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now children, substitute all the numbers in our formula. Okay, what is divisor? 2. So 2 into 37 is our quotient plus 1, which is the remainder. First we have to multiply. 2 into 37. What is 2 into 37? See children, here multiplication I have done. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So 37 into 2 is equal to 74. Okay. So 37s are 74 plus 1. So we'll write a plus 1. 74 plus 1 is equal to 75, which is equal to dividend. Yes children. So our division is correct as we have got 75 as our dividend. Next is 87 divided by 5. Okay, children, write the numbers properly in the proper place. Now let us divide. Take the first number, which is number 8. Okay, we have to see in 5's table 8 will go or not. Now it will not go. So we have to take a nearby number. What it will be? 5 ones are 5. So 5 is here as divisor. Ones are 1 we will write here up, and then 5 will come down. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Then we will subtract. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. You will write here 3. Correct? After that, the next number, which is number 7, we will write here down. 7. And together they will become 37. Okay, don't forget number 3, because after subtraction we didn't get 0, we have got 3. That number also we have to take together. So it will become 37. Now children, in 5's table 37 will go? No. But 5 7s is 35, which is a nearby number. So we will write number 7 here up and number 35 here down below 37. Okay. Now let us subtract 37 minus 35. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Correct? So 37 minus 35 is equal to 2. So children, is there any other number left to carry down? No, there are no numbers left. Right? So number 2 is our remainder and number 17 is our quotient. Okay. After that we have to check. For checking, first we will write what is dividend. 87 divisor is equal to 5. Quotient is equal to 17 and remainder is equal to 2. Then write the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The next step is to substitute. Okay. So it will be 5 into 17 plus 2. Right. So first we are going to solve what is inside the bracket. 5 into 17. See children here. 5 into 17 or 17 into 5 is equal to 85. So I'll write here number 85 plus 2. Okay. 85 plus 2 is 87, which is our dividend. Thus the division is correct. Got it children? Now note down. Children, now G sum 96 divided by 8. Okay. 96 we will write here inside the bracket and number 8 here out. Okay. Let us divide. First we will take number 9. Now in 8's table, 8 ones is 8. 8 twos are 16. Now 16 will be bigger than number 8. So we cannot take that. So we'll take 8 ones are 8. Okay. Then we will subtract. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. We'll write here number 1 here. Then the next number we will take down, which is number 6. And together here it will become 16. Now children, in 8's table will 16 go? Yes, it will go. How many times? 8 twos are 16. Correct? So 8, 2 we will write here up and 16 here down. Now 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, so our remainder is 0 and our quotient is 12. Got it children? Next we will write the answer. 96 divided by 8 is equal to 12 and remainder is equal to 0. Children, then let us check whether our answer, which is number 12, is correct or not. How we are going to check? With the help of the formula. Okay. The formula is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Before that, write down dividend is equal to 96 divisor is equal to 8, quotient is equal to 12 and remainder is equal to 0. Now children, substitute all the numbers. So it will be 8 into 12 plus 0. Now when we multiply 8 into 12, you will get 96, correct, which is equal to our dividend. So that means the division is correct. Okay. Note down children properly in your notebook. Now it's time for homework. For homework children, we have the rest of the sums from question number 2. Okay. So first you are going to divide and then you are going to check whether the answer is correct or not with the help of the formula. Got it children? Thank you. Bye bye.